You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these Chinese dumplings, as well as how to say more names of delicious foods, including from Mandarin. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. In British English it's said as wonton, wonton. In American English it's usually pronounced more as wonton, wonton. In American English, while British English, wonton. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of delicious foods from China and beyond. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.